Okay, my school bus won't start. It's a 2010 GMC. So I found out it's the ground wire. Let's see if it starts now. Oh, deader than dead. So you go like this. Ground wire. You wiggle that. Nah, let's just fucking connect it right up like this. See what happens. So it's touching the ground. Nice little view of the truck. Ah ha ha, that's funny. Okay, well, it's the ground wire. That didn't ground it enough. So we're gonna go like this. Touching the ground against the wall. Ooh, look, we got power. Hopefully you just don't get the vice grip stuck in the engine. Ha ha ha. It's still the ground wire, so it lost ground again. I'm just trying to play around till I gain ground. Why don't we just go like this? Tighten these up a little bit. Mind you, it's winter time, everything sucks. Playing with the ground wire. This one's a little loose. Did that jump it? I'm hearing stuff, but that's nothing. I'm just trying to jump the ground. It will work. I could just shake that and it'll work. But okay. Having ground wire issues. So basically there's a nut on the side of the wall. You take it off and clean it. We don't need to demonstrate all that though, because I'm too lazy. Nut's right there. Need a longer screwdriver or something. I think that should work. I mean, I'm getting power now. I have headlights. Lights. Nope, not getting power. It's a ground wire issue though. Probably have somebody else take this off and clean it, but I could. I'll do it later on today. It's still not starting. There's nothing. Okay, so that's nothing. It'll show lights. When the lights stay on, then you're good. Maybe I could just take this terminal off right there. I need something longer. I need something longer. A longer piece of metal, that's too small. Ooh, a hammer. We'll bash it. That's what we'll do. You bash it. That's the answer to everything. What the hell's going on here? It's a loose battery terminal. That's the problem. Yeah, just smash it. You cocksucker. See, it's pretty shitty out, cold out. I want to park this thing. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Tighten up the ground. I was wiggling the terminal, but it needs a new ground, and I know it does because I've been starting it this way for a couple days. That's what it is. These are loose. It's hard to do anything when you're holding a cell phone. Alright, trying to start this thing any way possible. Tighten the terminal a little bit, and the lights still ain't on. Alright, the terminal needed tightened.